I'm Jackie Gambarijan, a health coach here at Parsley Health, and today I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite smoothie recipes. So it's featuring our Parsley Health Rebuild Vanilla Protein Powder. This protein powder is great because it's allergen-free, so many protein powders will have dairy or soy, common foods that people react to, but this one is a pea-based protein, which is lectin-free. There's also multivitamin properties in it. It supports gastrointestinal health and detoxification. It is also sugar-free. Many protein powders have a lot of added sugar, which we definitely want to avoid. This one is sweetened with a little bit of monk fruit, so it still has a really nice flavor. So I'm gonna add this, 2 scoops, which is 1 serving, to just a cup of water that I have in my smoothie cup here. And then this ingredient I love, so I always put a protein source in my smoothie. Then I like to add some type of vegetable. Often I'll do a leafy green, but I really like switching it up and either just adding in some cauliflower rice or doing cauliflower rice and a green. What's awesome about cauliflower rice is it creates a really creamy texture similar to banana, but without the sugar and banana. And also it is a great source of, also it's sulfur rich. And sulfur-rich vegetables are all the cruciferous vegetables, and sulfur-rich vegetables help with detoxification. Additionally, any cruciferous vegetable is really good to support estrogen detox in the body. You may have heard of a supplement called DIM. Basically, DIM is taking the compound in something like cauliflower that helps promote estrogen detox and concentrating it. And so some women will use that as they're working to balance their hormones. So I'll just add that in here. And then I always add some type of fruit. Today I'm using some blueberries. They're great because they're low sugar, high in fiber, antioxidant rich, and phytonutrient rich. So these are just some frozen organic blueberries. And then I always like to add a source of fiber. Today I'm using ground flaxseed, 2 tablespoons. And then some type of healthy fat. This is cashew butter, just a raw organic cashew butter. I'll scoop in here. And pretty simple. Add the top on, make sure it's nice and secure. And then blend it on up. And that's it. So this basically has it's blueberry vanilla type flavor.